Hey you! Yeah, you, guy with the beard. Welcome back. Congratulations. If you're watching this video, that means you've made it. Whether it's your second week of a beard, your second month, your second year, you're going for that tweerd, or your second lifetime. Congratulations on that beautiful piece of facial expression all over. Welcome. I am Dan C. They call me the trusted teacher. And today I'll be breaking down some expectations, but also some tips and tricks for the second week of No Shave November. Stay tuned to learn more about this awesome cause and this awesome month of the year. Length. What should you expect in that second week of your no shaving adventure? You should now be at about a 1/4 inch of length. You're approaching a centimeter. It is not quite stubble anymore. You've gone past that stubble phase, but it's not quite what we traditionally call a beard yet. You are in that middle zone. It should be enough where you are able to pinch it and grab it just slightly. So you're in about a 1/4 inch, and some of you may have more. Some people can grow up to a 1/2 inch. They're growing a full inch in a month. It really just depends on your genetics, your water intake. I really encourage you guys to drink water, and some other outside factors. But realistically, you're not gonna have a full-blown beard yet. You can expect just past that stubble phase. Congratulations! You have now entered what we famously call in the bearded world the awkward phase. Your beard is not going to look the best of its lifetime right now. You are going to have some patchiness that will fill in. You're going to have some weird growth patterns. You're going to have some hair on your neck, and it's not really going to be hidden by the beautiful length of a long beard. This is the awkward phase. You do need to push through it. It is like the puberty version of life for your beard. You just got to get through it. You don't have a cracking voice. You don't have pimples all over your face. You just have an awkward looking beard, and you will push through it. Just have to stay motivated and stay concentrated on whatever your end goal is. So welcome to the awkward phase. Two main things that make guys shave off this beautiful manliness on their face. One is what I just talked about with the awkward phase. The second one, and more commonly you hear the #1 complaint from a new beard, it itches. I can't get past the itching. It drives me crazy. I have the only tip you need for that itching. I introduced it in week 1. You really need to enforce it in week 2. Beard oil. Liquid gold for your face. You only need a couple drops, literally 3 or 4 drops at this stage. Emulsify it in your hand, nice and warm, heat it up, activate it, and get that oil into your skin. That is going to hydrate your skin. Those hair follicles, as they're coming out, they are not going to aggressively attack your face anymore and make it itch. If you do it properly, you started from the beginning with this series with me, you're not going to experience that itching phase, and it'll be amazing. You are going to have a glorious road to growing out that beard, and you don't have to battle that face itch. So, itchy phase, oil. Oil, more oil. Please use beard oil and let everybody else know. Motivation. You are now at that tough part of the race where you got to dig deep, hit that extra gear, and do what you have to finish. Whether your goal is to complete a year or whether your goal is just to make it through No Shave November, you need to stay motivated. That is my biggest piece of advice. Keep your eyes on the prize. Whether that's for men's health awareness, that's what this month is all about. Whether it's going in to get checked for colon cancer, whether it's just simply going to the doctor to get a physical. A lot of times I think as a man, as a father, as a dude, we think it's tough. We don't need to go to the doctor. We throw some duct tape on it, some dirt. And I am the biggest violator of that thought ever. I really dislike going to the doctor's office. I try to fix myself on everything, and I need to change that. I need to embrace going to the doctor, even if it's just a checkup and they tell me everything's all good. That is stuff we need, and this is what the month is all about. As a man, we need to make sure everything is okay, especially as our age is creeping up there, especially as we get some miles on that heart and everything else going on. Go check it out. If that's your motivation, stay true to it. Let everyone know with your beard. Let your beard do the talking. Let people approach you and tell them why you're growing it out. If your beard is a reason with this month because you want to be able to grow into a full beard, use that as well. Keep your motivation. As my shirt says, and the ones that we make with the Beauty in the Beard MI, stay bearded. Trimming. A big thought by guys once they get to that 2-week mark is they want to clean everything up. Their beard is short and they're getting what we call a neck beard, and they want to trim right along the jawline. You will regret that. Do not trim at the jawline. We don't want a face beard. What happens when you do that is your beard only grows from your face, and you don't have any of the volume underneath to support the beard once you grow it out longer. And it's just a very bad look when you look at someone and it's just an etched straight line down their chin, and then you look underneath and it's just pale skin. Never a good look. Stay away from the trimming in week 2. Next week I will address when we can start trimming and how and where and all of that for your cheek lines and for your neckline, but wait until next week. Please, you will regret it if you do shave the neck this week. Overall, final thoughts for week 2, stay with it, gentlemen. Please stay with it, complete this journey, join this community. I invite you to subscribe to this channel. Welcome, stay with it. I know it's tough right now. It's the hard part of that race. It will pay off for you in the end, and it is going to be an amazing, beautiful beard that you will feel proud of. Now, a question to leave you guys with for week 2. If you are a new beardsman, have you experienced that beard itch? Has it hit? Or did you start with the oil from week 1 like your trusted teacher said and you knocked it out? Let me know. Be honest here. If you are having that itch, let it know. All right, all these other guys can experience the same thing and relate to you. And for my experienced beardsmen, did you experience beard itch at the beginning and wish you had someone tell you how to help with it? Myself, I did. It was terrible. I did not discover good quality beard oil until later in my bearded journey. So for me, it was a major beard itch, but I've now solved it and it is amazing. There's no discomfort whatsoever. So let me know your thoughts on beard itch, and welcome to week 2, finishing the halfway mark of your No Shave November. All right, guys, have an awesome day. Keep that awareness out there. Stay bearded.